Alright, I'm in New Canaan, Connecticut, and the skylight is leaking. You can see, look on the inside there, you can see the paint peeling. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this. The seal is leaking with it, from the glass to the metal. So you can see they caulked it. So, they caulked it. So I'm going to remove most of the caulking, like this. Okay. So you look at it. Look. It's open. See? Look here. Water just gets in there. Causes a leak. Okay. Remove this. Okay, so I remove the caulking like that because it doesn't stick to glass. Nothing sticks to glass. Look. More you clean, the better. Caulking. And you can see, look, the metal is separating there as well. See that? Then I use a little bit of sandpaper, any grit, to that's it. Looking better. Now, to seal it, very simple. So first I take the fleece like this and we measure it, and then we cut it in half. Comes 4 inches wide, so I'm gonna make it 2 inches wide. That's it. And I take super silicone seal. Okay.
They can see it.
Yeah. Give me the tape. So I didn't have masking tape, so I used whatever tape this is. Okay, but I want to show you, it's good to use it. It makes the job look good. All right, all cleaned up, and all I do is I apply a coat of super silicone over the glass and the metal, like that. Look at this. And this is how you fix a skylight so it doesn't leak again. Don't need to replace it. That's my first coat. And I put my fleece over that. Okay. On the glass and on the, that's it. And now you put the second coat over that, just to cover the fleece. Now it can rain 10 minutes, 20 minutes after you did this, but it takes like 24 hours to 48 hours to cure properly. I'll show you a video where we did other skylights and we've got back and show you how it looks like after 2 years, 3 years, what it looks like. But I'm doing this one now. I don't have the opportunity to come back to show you.
Hey, I want to show you how nice it is. They work perfectly. The super silicone, black super silicone. Look it. We pass by to this shop and we need to check it out how this thing perform. The super silicone.
It was 28 degrees last night, but look at this transition. It's so smooth. Look at it, beautiful. So the principle is, I got the fleece. You can see there's the fleece. There's the fleece, and the fleece comes to. I only put a 2-inch fleece just to cover this gap here.
All the way here, papi.
Pull it to your side. Pull. Okay. I coated it. Now if you wait maybe 15 to 20 minutes for it to cure a little bit, then you can remove the tape. So there we go. Remove the tape. Wipe off any silicone. Voila. That's it. Looks good. Will never leak. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.